Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've been here. As much as I do try with YouTube, it's hard to keep up, y'all. Like, it's so easy doing a TikTok. It's so much easier doing them little 1-minute videos. So it does take me a while to come back here, but I do come back. Okay, I'm gonna try to be consistent with at least one video a week. So we are gonna do a long-awaited PR unboxing video. This will be the first one for the year. I'm gonna try to be as quick but as informative as I can be for you guys, so you guys can check out these brands. Not saying y'all need to buy nothing. I'm just reviewing the products in case you wanted to buy something. Okay, and since I just completed like my first look using this brand, which is Coffee or Pearls, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this one first. Right, within the package I did receive this eyeshadow palette and a lip gloss and a lipstick. Okay guys, I'm just gonna show you guys them, but before I do, let's talk about the packaging for this eyeshadow palette. Okay, so it's got Peace, I Am Loved, Radiant, Strong, and the Stigma, Mindful. Okay, so basically this brand was basically created to bring awareness of the stigma that stems behind mental health issues. Okay, so it's definitely a brand that you would want to get behind of. So during the pandemic especially, most of us turned to doing makeup. I was already doing it before, and it's basically it's like a stress reliever for me. So the fact that this brand is kind of informative towards mental health issues, etc., it works 100%. I'm sure a lot of others can relate. So if you guys want to go and check them out, I'm gonna open this in a second and I'm gonna show you guys the palette. Right, so it's got a mirror, and then this is the palette. So it's like a warm earth tone with a bit of pink and peaches in there. It's really nice. I actually used this palette to do my eyes today. Yeah, and it's very pigmented. I'm just gonna do some swatches for you guys. It's mostly shimmers with a few mattes. The mattes pigmented as hell, like they're really pigmented. Okay, and the shimmers smooth, buttery, creamy, everything in one. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch a few for you guys. So let's swatch this one right here, which is Unbalanced. So let's swatch Unbalanced. Then let's swatch Perfectly Imperfect, which is this one right here. And excuse my nails, y'all, like I didn't get a chance to do them. So that's that one right there. Let's swatch Procrastinating right here. See, my finger just, I didn't even need to rub because that just dipped into it. Okay, so that's that one. And then let's swatch Stigma, which is this one right here. And there you go. We have some really nice swatches. I also did swatches for this as well. I'll insert either here or here, but I'm just trying to let you guys see, because I think in the last video I just put up the swatches and I didn't swatch anything. So I just wanted you guys to see the palette in action. But you know it's different to when you know that it's different when you put it on your eyes. Okay, swatching and putting stuff on your eyes is always different, but it's really pigmented. It's really nice. I had no problems working with it at all, so I definitely would recommend it. I do recommend the brand on a whole because it is a brand that supports basically what a lot of the population is going through, especially now in this pandemic. And then let's move on to the lipstick and lip gloss. Packaging 100%. So for the lipstick, it says Heal Your Inner Child. I think the both of them says Heal Your Inner Child. As you can see, the woman here meditating, same over here as well, because you know you just need to relax and detox sometimes. Okay, so the lip gloss is called Self Care, And the matte lipstick is called Wusa. Okay, so these are the two. I'm gonna open them and swatch them for you guys. Just to say, I do have self-care right here on my lips. Okay, so this is self-care. It's a lip gloss here. And then this is the matte lipstick, and this one is called Wusa. I'm gonna swatch this one on my hand for you guys since you can already see the lip gloss on my lips. Okay, so this is the matte lipstick, guys. Okay, I'm gonna show you it again when it dries down. So I haven't worn the matte lipstick yet, but it's definitely a formula that I do like. It's not runny, it's not watery, it's nice, creamy, goes on nice. And I also really love the color, like it's really pretty. Okay guys, so it's not 100% dry, but it's mostly dried down. So it's a really pretty color. Okay guys, that's it. Okay, so moving on to our next PR. We received this package from Yardie Cosmetics. Y'all can see how big this is. Like, if this isn't the biggest PR package that I've ever received in life itself. Okay, so I don't even know where to start. If you guys know me, then I love to support my Caribbean people. Now, I was following Yardie Cosmetics for a while, because I have a makeup sister called Shays by Shadara, and she is on their PR team, and she's always using these palettes, and the pigmentation on these palettes are always stupid ridiculous. Okay, but I, like, at one point I made a vow to myself that I won't be buying any more makeup until like Black Friday. So when Black Friday came around, I went stupid. So I was buying everything from everybody. So I bought 2 palettes from Yardie Cosmetics. I'm gonna show you guys the palettes that I bought. These are the 2 palettes that I bought from Yardie Cosmetics, guys. This is the one that my sis always uses, so I had to go ahead and get it. And this was the latest palette that she received, and it's got colors in there that I really just wanted to have, and it's got highlighters at the bottom. So I was like, yes, okay, I'm definitely gonna cop them. So I went ahead and I copped the 2 of them. My package was delayed a bit. It took me a while to get it. So, you know, they contacted me. They were like, oh, did you like the extra goodies? And I was like, I haven't even received my package yet, but thank you. I received the package, and I opened the package, and it was everything. Like, it was everything in there except, I guess, what was sold out, but it was everything in there. And I was like, I read a card and she was like, welcome to the PR team. I was like, thank you, ma'am. I really appreciate it. Okay, so with that being said, y'all, sometimes you think people don't see you, but they really see you. Okay, they see you. So all you need to do is go ahead and support, and when you support, you may just get a PR package. Okay, don't say I never told you. I told you. I told you. My battery is about to die, so I'm gonna need to fly through this like really quickly because I am not where there is a charger. All of the palettes came with a leaflet, and it tells you about the palette, tells you about the part 1 names, etc. on there, which I think is really cool. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys the palettes that I did receive in PR. Okay, so these are the 3 palettes that I did receive in PRs. This one's the Ivory palette, and I have used this before. And if I posted a picture already on IG, I will link it somewhere here or there. If not, then just know that I did use it already, and the quality is great. Next one is the Chat Patwa palette. I haven't used this one yet, so I may just swatch this. I may swatch this actually. So I haven't used this one yet. And I've also used this one, which is Picnic Days. The thing that I like about this brand is that all the products is related, like the names are related to the Jamaican culture, things that they do, things that they say, the way how they say things, etc. I really love it. So I think you should definitely check this. Just check them out on a whole. Listen, I think that these smaller brands now are coming out with better products than larger brands, if I'm honest, because The PR packages that I'm receiving, the quality on them is way better than anything that I ever paid high end for. And that is word to your mother, like no lie. So let's go ahead and swatch. Oh, this is nice. Nyam. Let's swatch this one. Oh, my hand. Oh, I didn't even need to go into that. This is it's a glitter. It's a pressed glitter. I didn't even realize that. I thought it was a shimmer. But yes, yes ma'am. Let's go into Talawa, which is this one right here. You know when they say, yo, Malika but my Talawa, that's me. Malika, because I'm 4'11", but my Talawa. Okay. Yes, okay. Shimmers, great. Glitter, great. Let's swatch a matte. So let's swatch Yaman. I love this blue actually. I might use it in my next look. Look at that. Like I could actually pull this down here. That's how pigmented that shit is. Like don't play with your mother. Don't play with the palettes. Okay. So those were the 3 palettes that I received. I also received some eyebrow pencils. They have the pencil at the top right here and the spoolie at the bottom. Okay guys, and I have used these as well numerous times. I have no issues with them at all. I really like them. This is the packaging for the eyebrow pencil. This basically is the packaging for a lot of things, like they're all black and gold. So this is the one for the eyebrow. This is the one for the glue, which I'll show you guys in a minute. And let me tell you, bitch, that glue sticks like a motherfucker. Like, okay, and then these are the boxes for the lipsticks, guys. Okay, so I also received 2 lashes. Okay, and one I actually do have on my eyes. This one is Falmouth. These are the ones that I have on today. And then this is Ocho Rio. I think that's how it's pronounced. So you know how some other lashes stick out? I like how these lashes just naturally have that curl without me struggling to curl them with the lash curler. Okay, this is the glue. This glue, you definitely need that glue in your life. Okay, you definitely need it. Okay, so last but not least, I'm gonna show you guys the lipsticks that I received. I went ahead and I swatched them just because of the time running out, but I've used majority of these lipsticks, and let me just say the formula is perfect. The formula, let me say it again, the formula is perfect. I think I need y'all to understand what I'm saying. The formula is perfect. These are the lipsticks right here. And I'm going to say it one last time before I go. The formula is perfect. That's it from me, guys, with 2% on the batteries. Love you guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you in my next one. Peace.